reason why I've been able to build a successful business and scaled my agency all the way past 7 figures and making over $1 million in the past 3 years because of my personal brand. I actually attribute most of my success all towards because of the fact that I've built a personal brand. And as a matter of fact, I actually have done zero outreach to get new clients in my last 2 years, I would say. Every single client in the past 2 years has come to me wanting to pay me. And so I've built up this system, being able to attract new clients who actually want to pay me instead of chasing clients, right? So for those of you that are new agency owners, or maybe you're an existing agency owner who is struggling to sign new clients, and you're sending countless emails, you're just sending out thousands of emails, thousands of DMs, you're running paid ads, and you just simply can't land new clients and really position your agency to scale past that 7-figure mark. And the reason for that, guys, is because here now in 2023, people are starting to realize the power of personal brand. See, I've been doing this for years because ever since I started my agency, I've started my YouTube channel, I've documented everything, my wins, my losses, my success, my failures, and through that, just giving you guys a ton of free content, a ton of free value on how to grow your own agency, how to grow your business. That has built up my personal brand, how to help businesses grow by generating more leads, customers, clients, and things like that. I've been able to elevate my business all through my personal brand, and it has been a win-win situation because as you grow your personal brand, you're going to experience the snowball effect. Your business also growing, right? Because once you get the credibility and the trust through your personal branding, that's when people are going to buy through you, and that's how your business is going to grow. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you exactly the system and the formulas that I've used myself to grow my personal brand, and in return, I have been able to scale my business past 7 figures, and now it's just constantly just growing on its own due to these snowball effects. So before we hop in the whiteboard, make sure you drop a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to the channel if you want to learn how to grow your agency, and leave a comment to show some love in the section below. Let's do it. All right, guys, so we are in the whiteboard. Let's show you how to build a personal brand so that we can snowball your business, right? This is going to work for agency owners, coaches, and I would say pretty much for any business, because when you build your personal brand, your business will grow following that. Okay, so what do you get out of building your personal brand? Well, you're gonna get clients chasing you instead of you having to chase after clients. For the past 2.5 years, I don't really remember, but it's been a very, very long time since I've done any outreach. I do want to start doing it again, but I haven't been needing to, right? I no longer need to do outreach because clients were consistently coming to me ready to pay, right? And I've actually been able to sign 2 to 4 clients every single month for about the past 2 years. And this is exactly how I've been able to scale my business to over 7 figures, right? And so there are a lot of gurus out there that's going to tell you that you need to, send millions of cold emails and take a lot of cold calls and do all that stuff. And there's nothing wrong with that, but supplement all of that, I would start also work on building your personal brand. So this is a whole free training on personal brand. There are people out there I've seen that are selling courses on how to build your personal brand. Well, I'm giving it to you for free. Hopefully you're getting a ton of value out of this. I'm trying to give you everything I got here. All right. As you can see here, this is my screenshot, my Stripe screenshot. I started my business in like 2019. We got our first client in April 2019. It is now October 2023. We're about at 1.4 million. We should hit 1.5 million by the end of this year, which is just mind-boggling to me, right? I was able to hit my first million before the age of 30, now closing in on $1.5 million. This was my dream, this is my goal, and it's all attributed towards building my personal brand, getting clients to chase you. Where do I start? Okay, there's a special quote that I remember by Jay-Z. It says, "I'm not a businessman." So what does that mean? It means that you're not just running a business, okay? You need to understand that you are the business. Your reputation, your brand is a reflection of your business. And so when you are able to build up your personal brand, you're able to build up your reputation, people are automatically going to buy into that. When you go and you create your YouTube channel, your Instagrams, your Facebook, your TikTok accounts, whatever platforms that you are in, it cannot be faceless, okay? And the reason for that is because faces builds trust. When you can put a face to something, it automatically builds more trust. When we build out landing pages for our clients, we put a face on it. When we want to sell something, we put a face to it. And the reason for that is because it's going to build more credibility and it's going to build trust, and people are going to buy that, right? People aren't going to buy into something that they don't know. They don't know who it is. It could be a scammer. They don't know who's the face of the business. You look at any big, Fortune 500 companies out there, you are going to put a face to it, okay? You think Amazon, you know Jeff Bezos. You think of Tesla, you think Elon Musk, right? You think Apple, you think of Steve Jobs. You think of Tim Cook, who's the new, guy for the new face of Apple now. But when you think of companies and businesses that you trust and you buy into, you know who the face of that business is. And so that is why it's so important to put a face on your business. And that's why you don't want to become a business, not just a businessman. You want to become the business man, right? So believe it or not, but you are credible. There are people out there who will find your content, what you share, what you know, what you talk about, valuable. There are a lot of people, and I myself even experienced this a lot of times, where you experience what they call the imposter syndrome, right? You believe that you're not good enough. You need more credibility. You need to be validated. You need more awards. You need to hit a certain number. Believe it or not, guys, your opinion matters. Your thoughts, your values, what you believe in matters, right? It is something where someone else might agree with. They might learn something from that. You are credible. You don't need to wait for a certain award to come in. You don't need to wait to make $1 million, $10 million, or $10,000 a month to become credible. When I first started, my goal was to hit $10,000 a month to feel good. I hit my 10K a month and I was like, you know what? There are so much more out there. So what I want you to understand is that there is a constant growth factor, okay? There is constantly more out there. No matter what level you are at, there's always more. So it doesn't matter where you are at right now, you are credible. It is okay to be an authoritative figure. And so what I would do if I'm just starting out, a lot of people ask me, I'm lost, Jordan, where do I start, right? And this is going to apply for businesses in general, okay? For your agency, for your coaching, or whatever business that you're trying to start up. But document your journey, share your wins, your losses, your struggles, your success, your failures, right? People love stories and people love to be able to relate. And as a matter of fact, people buy into stories. If you think about it, a lot of different companies, the same thing. A phone will still make a phone call, a text message. A running shoe will help you still run. Why do you buy one running shoe over another? Assuming that two running shoes are built exactly the same, why do you buy into one shoe over the other, right? Why pick Nike over Adidas or Adidas over Nike? It's because you're buying into the brand. You're buying into their story, right? Every brand has their story of how they started, or how they came up with the product, or the story of the product. And that's why, for example, Nike, they'll have, basketball shoes that are made by their athletes, right? And every single shoe has a story to it, how that shoe was made, what went behind on creating that shoe, the story of coming up with that shoe. So people buy into stories, and that's what you need to understand. That's how you build your reputation. That's how you build your brand. And essentially that is how you stand out from everybody else, right? Your personality, your beliefs, your thoughts, they're all valuable, guys. And someone's going to buy into that. Someone's going to agree with that. Not everybody's going to agree, but there's going to be people who agree with what it is that you have to share and what you have to say. And as you can see here, my YouTube channel, I started off at 0 subscribers just like anybody else. And even then, like, my agency is still, my YouTube channel is still small at right now at the time recording this video. We have 11.4 thousand subscribers, and I've created over 300 videos, guys. And this is what I'm talking about when I'm saying, document your journey. I've literally been documenting my agency journey since the beginning of when I first started. Since the beginning, all the way to from before 10K, all the way to now, where we have generated close to $1.5 million. Content is king. Lead with value always. And the law of reciprocating, right? I can't ever pronounce that word, but it states that when someone does something for you, you feel obligated to reciprocate or do something in return for them. When you can just lead with values and not have any expectations in return, and just give, then you're gonna get more in return. So the more value you give, the more you get in return. And that's the mindset that I want you to have. Don't worry about, oh, am I giving too much value? Am I, just giving away too much, everything away, and having that scarcity mindset. If we can get rid of that, you're gonna get more in return. Okay, because I've been documenting my journey where I've literally given away my entire systems for free. You can just go through my YouTube channel and learn how to scale your agency to pass $1 million, and how I've been able to pass $1 million actually. And I've literally taught how to implement my systems, how I've scaled my agency to pass $1 million to others so that you can do it too. And here's my YouTube channel, and I just lead with content. I literally show you how to run Google ads for specific niches. I show you how to create irresistible offers, how to come up with an offer to stand out from your peers, your other marketing agencies, right? How my journey, right? How to give out free courses, giving the best offer, picking a niche, how to build a sales system to do the selling for you, right? My journey on how I became 0 to 10K, and then just how to get results for them, how to do outreach, how to sign new clients. You can literally just go through my YouTube channel, pick apart the videos, and build your agency with it. And just show some love. All I ask is show some love in the comment section below if any of my videos has ever helped you in, some form or way. Big or small. That's the reason why I create my YouTube channel. So if I have helped you whatsoever, then let me know, because that is what motivates me to make more videos. But essentially, you can see here is that content is king, lead with value always. And I expect nothing in return. I just constantly create more videos, and I didn't expect anything in return when I first started my channel. I didn't even think I was building my personal brand, but 300 videos later, I can say that my personal brand is what's helped me scale my agency past 7 figures. I've used the same method to get new clients for my agency and students from my mentorship and info products. Just giving a ton of value away has helped me land so many new clients from my agency and so many new students who are interested in growing their agency with me, right? And just them enrolling to my mentorship and my courses, my info products, my Facebook groups and things like that, right? Tons of resources. So the time frame, okay? How long can you expect to build your personal brand so they can start seeing seeing some type of results? Well, Rome wasn't built in a day. Great things takes time, right? Your branding, your reputation is going to take time to build. Now, obviously, if you're able to spend a little bit of money, run some ads towards your Instagram page or Facebook page to build brand awareness, yes, you can build your brand and reputation faster, but it's still going to take time, right? And what I want you to focus on, let's assume that we're not running ads, I want you to focus on giving value on all platforms, especially where your clients are hanging out, right? So it could be on LinkedIn, Reddit, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook groups, okay? So figure out where your clients are hanging out and just give value. Show them exactly how to get results. Show them that what they're doing is not working. Whatever they're doing that they're struggling with, and here is the solution to that. So you got to show them where they're currently at, which is point A, and you need to understand where they're trying to go, which is point B, and literally give them that bridge to that gap, between that gap, okay? So that is the value bridge, helping them from point A to point B in nothing in return. And Alex Hormozzi does a really good job of this, right? He did a whole presentation, I forget how long it was. It was like 2 hours. He put together a whole production. He hyped it up. He did like a 2-hour presentation, promoting his secrets on lead magnet and, all his outreach methods, how to gain more leads, right? I think he called it 100 million leads or something like that. And at the end, he gave all that for free. People were expecting that he was going to sell something to them. People were, because he was just giving so much value out, they're like, all right, what's the catch here? Do I need to buy something? Do I need to pay for his products? Which I'm sure they wouldn't have mind anyways, because he built up his brand. But even a guy of that stature, where he's already built up his brand and he could literally just sell to everybody if he wanted to, he literally came up with those courses and just gave it to people for free. That's really how we're looking at things here. So your reputation and personal brand will take time to build, and that's going to be different for everyone, right? Depending on your niche, depending on the speed that you're going, depending on how you deliver it, it's going to take time, and it's going to be different for everybody. But once you gain that audience, it doesn't have to be much, okay? Because I was already getting clients, new students, way before I even hit 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel, way before I even had 50 to 100 members inside my Facebook group, where right now we're actually currently closing in on 10,000 members in this Facebook group here in which you can join for free to connect with other agency owners and myself, but we're closing in on 10,000 members, right? And so if you can build an audience, and like I said, it doesn't have to be much, of people who trust you and they like you, then they will buy into whatever it is that you have to offer later on. The main purpose of giving free value, as much free value, is to build an audience where they can trust you, okay, and they like you and whatever it is that they want you have to offer. And once you build that audience, you're automatically going to have new customers and new clients because there's already an audience that trusts you and what you have to say, which is why your personal brand and your reputation is so important to building that up, right? And you don't want to constantly be selling things either, because it's just going to look like you're trying to sell to your audience, right? So you don't want to constantly be selling. That's why I'm saying is lead with value and people will automatically buy. Okay, so like I said, I was already getting clients before my channels grew. Another quote that I read somewhere is, people don't work with businesses, right? People work with people that they like. Keep that in mind. Okay, build up your brand, become a likable person by leading with value, and people are going to automatically want to work with you. And then once you have built up your reputation and your brand, protect it at all costs. Always do the right thing, because once your reputation collapses, then it will be extremely, extremely difficult to build it back again, if ever. So always protect your reputation, your brand. You're going to be working so hard to build this up. And so don't ever fall into the trap of easy money or something easy where you don't feel right about doing something. Just always choose to do the right thing, okay? Even if you're gonna get less in return up front, you're gonna see that long-term return in the long term. So always do the right thing, and don't sell out just for something big up front, okay? Think of it as a long-term gain, and that way your reputation and brand is always going to be there. If you guys are an agency owners, and if you're an agency owner looking to scale your business to 10 to 30K per month, I am currently putting together a mentorship, and where I help you build automated systems that will help you with your outreach channels, your sales, your fulfillment. Then you can book a call with me personally, and I will literally help you with this, right? I'm putting together a group mentorship where I can only work with a limited amount of students, and I will teach you everything I know and everything that I've learned on my journey to building a 7-figure agency. And like I said, I'm only able to work with a limited amount of students, so check out the link in the description for details. If you want to work with me, fill out the application to see if we're a good fit for each other. Here's a couple results that I took, screenshots here. Here's a 5K payment from a client. Here's a big client for $10,000, $10,000 client. And like I said, results are going to vary. Obviously, I don't want you to say, hey, this is exactly what I'm going to get. It's going to vary. It's all going to be dependent on how much work you put in. 5,000 student here who is just starting out, then a $1,500 client. Here is another student of mine. It is Brian. He completed 3 calls. He got 3 more calls booked. So he's getting booked appointments, and he was able to get a screenshot here for $2,000 of new clients through the automated systems that we built out for him. And then we have a person here who reached a $52,000 per month. So which is just amazing, which is just crazy. So look guys, if you guys want to work with me directly, I'm just launching my mentorship, and where I work with a limited amount of students to help you scale your agency, build it. You'll be able to get access directly to me, and I can literally hold your hand and walk you through all your obstacles in building up your agency. So that link is going to be in the description below. You can fill out the application and see if we would be a good fit for each other. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, if you want to just grow your agency through just free value, free content, and I will see you guys in the next video. Yo.